Oh.
Ano gagawin nyo ah? Mga
Hindi, sana. Buhati lang natin siya. Buhati lang natin siya. 1, 2, 3.
Hirap.
Hirap, diba?
Oo.
Hirap. Okay, ito. Patong ko ng kamay ko dito. Patong mo yung kamay ko dito dyan. Patong mo.
Right, left.
Kanan. Kanan.
Kanan.
Ano ka?
Kanan.
Nakilip Simon eh.
Huwag niyo didikit ha.
Okay.
Kaliwa. Tapos gano'n. Sasabihin natin, soft, light as a paper, soft as a feather. Ha? 1, 2, go. Sabay-sabay tayo. Light as a paper, soft as a feather. 1, 2, go. Light as a paper. Ako muna, isa-isa lang.
Excited.
Isa-isa.
Ano light?
Light as a paper, soft as a feather. Isa-isa. 1, 2, go. Light as a... Isa-isa!
Ano ba? English.
1, 2,
Follow me instructions.
go.
Got the motherfucker.
Light as a feather. Light as a paper. Okay. Light as a paper. Sabay-sabay tayo. 1, 2, go.
Light as a paper, soft as a feather. Light as a paper, soft as a feather. Light as a paper,
soft as a feather.
Light as a paper,
soft as a feather. Light as a paper, soft as a feather. Isa-isa ulit. Isa-isa. From the top. Isa-isa. Alisin mo. Tayo. Alis. Okay. Ito lang gamitin natin.
Ano sa gamitin?
Bati mo. Doon. 1, 2, go. Hindi ko ulit.
Ano ko wala kaya eh?
Ulit.
Ako na lang.
Ulit. Meron kaming ginawa na ito. Minus 2 ng katawan mo. Ang mga bumuhat, ang papayan. Dali. Ulit ha. Ulit. 1, 2, go.
Light as a paper, soft as a feather.
Pagkalagay mo gano'n, lagay tayo. 1, 2, go.
So smooth. Give me your heart, baby, please. Get about it.
1, 2, go.